Good morning, I am Bharat and you are watching The Hot Topic. Today's hot topic are the heroes and the zeros from the last week rate hike, namely the stock market and the commodities. What happened? Stock markets rallied after the anticipated rate hike last week by the Fed, namely the Australia's ASX 200 index on Wednesday jumped by 2.4%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index and Japan's Nikkei 225 also increased by 2% and 2.6% respectively. European stocks surged after the rate increase. UK's FTSE 100 moved upwards by 0.8%. Both the German DAX and the French CAC 40 also increased by 1.4%. While in the US itself, the Fed move re-injected the aging bull market with some more force and we saw the Dow rise 1.3%. However, the Fed's move weighed on the commodity prices as gold's rate on Thursday fell by 1.6% to $1,052 per ounce and copper by 1.4%. A stronger dollar weighed on energy and raw material shares as crude oil tumbled below $35 a barrel. Let's take a closer look at what's going on. The Fed on Wednesday decided for an increase of the US benchmark rate, the overnight interbank lending rate from 0.25% to 0.5% for the first time in almost a decade. It highlighted its 3 years plan of gradual increases back to normal levels depending upon the economy's performance. According to a statistical average of policyholder estimates, the interest rate is expected to increase to 1.375% by the end of 2016, 2.375% by the end of 2017, and reach 3.25% by the end of the 3 years. The expectation of higher dollar interest rates and stronger US economy increased investors' demands towards the US dollar, and as a result of that, the prices of commodities has dropped. So, what's coming up this week to keep an eye on? This week's highlights before the Christmas holidays includes the release of the US durable goods orders due on Wednesday 23rd December at 13:30 GMT. There were strong gains for October's orders by 3% following 2 months of declines and surpassed expectations for a 0.3% increase only. However, the expectation for November's durable good orders data is for a 0.7% decrease. Will expectations will exceed it twice in a row? Comment below and let us know your thoughts. I am Bharat and you've been watching The Hot Topic.